Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I will be sharing my thoughts and showing you how I would go about preparing a garden container. This video will show you how to maximize your success by taking several precautions in advance. One of the major factors in having a healthy plant is for the plant to be able to uptake nutrients from the soil when necessary. So soil preparation would be another step in the right direction for success. As you can see here, I have a container that I have emptied out the soil. This soil is not lacking in nutrient deficiency, for the simple reason I have been regularly amending the soil with compost. Compost is like a slow release fertilizer, unlike the potting soil you would buy from a garden center, which unfortunately would only provide your garden plant with 3 to 4 weeks of nutrients. Because I regularly compost, I am left with unwanted materials such as twigs and small branches, which cannot be easily composted, but will be eventually. So what we can do with some of these twigs would be to place them on the bottom of our container, as shown in the video. These twigs will eventually break down and enhance the soil with beneficial microorganisms. Now that you have placed the small branches or twigs, start replacing the soil back into the container. Perhaps if you have some marigold leaves, now would be a good time to place them in the soil, as they help protect the roots against root knot nematode. Some people say that pillbugs eat their plants. I personally have never had this problem, but they do eat decaying material, which is beneficial when you are composting. Once you have refilled the soil, leave a couple of inches so you can add some homemade compost to the container. Now, I would recommend that you let the soil rest for a couple of weeks before you start planting again. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, share this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Until next time, have a great day and goodbye.